Hello, I'm teacher Abby, and oh, ugh, I'm scared. Are you scared? No, I'm not scared. But are you scared of using puppets? Are you unsure of how to use them or why you would want to add a puppet to your teaching props? A hand puppet like this is best to use from the side. It looks more real. It takes away some of the fun if they can see your hand. But I want to talk to you today about my favorite puppet, my friend Billy. Billy makes a model student when kids are confused or need to see an example. What is this? Silence? Silence?
Hmm, this is an apple.
This is? Billy also lets kids practice listening and correcting.
This is a star.
Hmm, what is this? This is an apple. Now you'll see Billy is bigger than many puppets, and this is ideal because he can hide my face. If I need to look for a prop, it's less distracting if Billy's on the screen. Or maybe I need to scroll through or click something on Minicam, or maybe Billy looks at the kids while I sneak in a yawn. Sometimes I feel a little overwhelmed or camera shy, even though I've been teaching ESL online for a while. When I get nervous, I just let Billy teach for me for a little while.
Yep, I know how to take over the class sometimes.
Another great thing about Billy is that his mouth moves. This really helps bring a puppet to life if they can move their mouth. Kids love to see Billy talk.
Hello, hello.
And they also love to see him eat. Billy can eat 3D food.
Sometimes I eat chicken.
Or he can eat 2D food, no problem.
I like apples.
When Billy's eating, he makes chomping noises and his head slowly goes down so he can drop the food to swallow it. Now, Billy doesn't have hands, but that's okay. Sometimes that does make him sad, but the kids think it's hilarious.
I'm sad.
Why are you sad, Billy?
I'm sad because I don't have many hands.
When Billy's sad, usually it helps if I just offer him a piece of pizza. Oh, I'm sorry you're sad. Do you like pizza?
Oh, yes I do.
If you don't have a great puppet, I suggest you look into making a puppet or looking online. I found Billy on Amazon.com by searching the Puppet Company. They have a large variety of puppets the same size as Billy, and they're priced from $14 to $25. So I hope you can find you the perfect teaching assistant just like Billy.